Do you need a lawyer in mediation? Do you need a lawyer in mediation? It's common for people to ask if they need an attorney in mediation. This presentation will explore the role of attorneys in mediation. Representation in mediation. Mediation does not require you to have an attorney. You may represent yourself in mediation. Many people successfully represent themselves in mediations for small claims and family cases. Self-representation, tips for success. If you are representing yourself in mediation, you can achieve your best outcome with these tips. First, prepare thoroughly by gathering all relevant documents and information. You should understand the strengths and weaknesses of your case. Be clear about your goals and what you want to achieve in mediation. Communicate effectively by expressing your needs clearly and respectfully. Mediation involves give and take, so be prepared to compromise with the other party. By using Whatnot and BATNA techniques discussed in other videos, you can solidly negotiate your position. How attorneys can help. You can seek the advice of an attorney prior to your mediation, or have one there for your mediation. Attorneys can provide legal guidance and explain your rights prior to your mediation. Attorneys can also assist in developing negotiation strategies for your mediation. Attorneys can protect your interests by reviewing the agreement in mediation before you sign. If you feel intimidated by the other party, an attorney can help level the playing field. When large sums of money or property are involved, legal advice is advisable due to the possible long-term implications. Whether you choose self-representation or attorney assistance, preparation and clear communication are key to a successful mediation. We hope you enjoyed learning if you will need a lawyer in your mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.